Hi, my name is Leslie Moselle, and I'm from Tampa, Florida. And on behalf of Expert Village, this is Hair Accessories. Rubber band headbands. These things are awesome. The main purpose of these, of course, is like your traditional headband. You wrap it around your head, and it's great to hold back that hair. A lot of the time these days, a lot of girls like to use this when they wear their hair up. A lot of the new styles these days are layered looks. So you have a lot of those stray hairs that usually get in your face that you want to keep out, whether you're playing a sport, whether you're a dancer, whatever it is that you do. But these rubber bands are great. They actually come in a lot of different colors if you just want to match it to your hair. You can wear more than one at a time. Just gives more of a look to just that simple ponytail. But as you can see here, you can wear up to 2 or 3 in your hair. It gives a great look, and it holds your hair in place.